Coach administration. The coach administrative functions are performed by an application administrator. In the QM module, the administrator configures the templates that will be used by supervisors to create evaluations. The efficient use of the context menu right-click option allows the administrator to quickly construct complex and balanced templates that align with an organization's business rules and corporate values. Existing customer templates can easily be included and enhanced, or new ones developed to make full use of the extensive Coach template options. Individual questions or definitions, each with their own unique answers and weightings, are grouped together in attributes. Interpretation notes can be added to each group or question as guides to the supervisors when they are scoring, so that consistent standards are maintained. The number of questions and answers is not limited. Each question can make use of one of the 7 different scoring types, for example, radio buttons or labels where a single answer is to be selected, or checkboxes where more than one option can be scored, perhaps to mark off a series of steps that an agent must follow for a set process. Autofill is available at question, group and template levels. Where multiple templates have been designed, an administrator can direct their appropriate and efficient use by assigning them as the defaults that will be used for specific organizational levels. An administrator also configures filtering categories for the segmentation of evaluations by relevant type when reviewing performance data and reports. In the console module of Coach, where the organizational hierarchy can be managed and technical elements configured, the administrator can also create schedules that will automate the selection of recordings for supervisors to evaluate. A schedule selects recordings on a recurring pattern, for example on a daily or weekly basis, or as a one-off, perhaps to filter recordings for a specific seasonal promotion. The schedule can randomly select recordings for an entire organization, or a specific department, team, or even an individual agent, perhaps for a new hire to focus on interactions that overrun a set time. Multiple schedules can be assigned to any level of the organization. The parameters that the schedule uses to filter the recordings can be very broad or very precise, using all or none of the data the recorder associates with them. This means the schedule can be used with surgical accuracy to target specific behaviors, or as a general selection tool to purely manage the QM program at a high level and saves the supervisor time. A schedule selects recordings during a period of low activity on the application, and there is no limit to the number of schedules that can be created.